Hi, I'm Reider McFeely. I'm a senior at Bullis and I converted this car to an electric vehicle. Research started a little over 2.5 years ago. I really knew nothing about anything car or electricity related, so I had to start from basically nothing, learning about what is a watt, what's a volt, what is an amp, how do they all kind of play together. I've been building it now for about 1 year and 3/4. Any free time I had basically went into getting this thing running. So first step, ripping out all the old gas stuff, taking out the engine, the muffler, gas tank, radiator's gone, anything that's related to the gas engine, air intake, take that all out. And then get a bunch of parts. So the big parts are the battery, which I've got a couple different boxes to store the batteries. The batteries are actually out of a Tesla Model X. Battery, motor, inverter, and then a bunch of other smaller parts, charger, DC to DC converter to step down voltage. It's a front wheel drive. It was, just a 2010 Ford Escape. The old engine was about 150 horsepower. This one, the motor I put in is only about 120 horsepower. But because of the way electric motors work, they've got full torque from 0 RPM. So I'd say it feels more like a 220 to 230 horse gas engine, which is more than what was ever available from the factory in this car. I was always kind of fascinated by Teslas. It's how are they so quick, and how are they beating cars that are $200,000, $300,000 for a quarter of that price? So I was wondering, kind of trying to learn about it, figure out if I could do it myself, and I gave it a shot. I think a big part of this, there's obviously a lot of math involved in getting this all running. Calculus, I took AP Calc BC last year, and just working with integrals and derivatives to figure out sizing capacitors and stuff like that, so that's the right size and not overkill, but also enough to fit the need. I want to study, I think, going to electrical engineering and work with EVs, EV propulsion, maybe be an OEM EV component designer, work with kind of the EV revolution that's sort of happening all over the world right now. Just be part of that, it would be pretty cool.